Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. So in this video we are going to talk about hiring, which is by Accenture. So Accenture is mass hiring freshers. So they are hiring experienced people as well. There are around 30,000 hirings present on LinkedIn as well as on their career portal. But there are more than 8,000 hiring that is exclusively for fresher, and fresher even don't know about it. And there is a trick wherein how you can search these kind of jobs. It could be well suited for one person, and it could be like a waste of time for other. So it's like you have to be very mindful while applying for these kind of jobs, because once applied you cannot withdraw application, and you cannot also apply the other kind of application that are present on Accenture. So you have to be very mindful of applying, like how you are applying to these jobs and how on which job post you are going to apply. So this is one thing that you need to be very careful of. And there is another thing that you have to search these kind of jobs on their career portal. LinkedIn is full of scams, but yes, when a post is on LinkedIn and it's not easy apply, it goes directly to their career portal, then think of it like that this is kind of a genuine hiring. So this is something that you can go through. And yeah, if you can ask for a referral from a friend, just go and ask it, because of the fact that asking for a referral increases your chances of getting hired like 50% more than what you apply by yourself. So if you get a chance, just don't miss out on that and ask for a referral from any of your friends or any person you know on LinkedIn or anywhere else. So this is I want you to know. So if you could just see my screen over here, so it is the career portal of the Accenture. What I'm just gonna do over here is search the open roles, and I'm just gonna navigate through it. And yes, this is the career portal, so the jobs couldn't be fake, as the fake jobs are present on LinkedIn, and people are like asking for money from very innocent students and people. So don't get trapped into that. Yes, we are on the LinkedIn career portal. So what I'm just gonna do is search entry level operations job over here. And yes, wherever you find the new associate rollover written over here, you will see that this is for the exclusively for fresher, 0 to 2 years of experience it requires. And there are more than 8,000 jobs present, and with very less number of applicants, let's say 7 or 8 applicants. So the chances of getting hired through these jobs is like more than what you even think of. So please apply to these kind of jobs. As you can see, reporting analyst is present, and this is for the BCom students. So whoever thinking that there are no roles for the the people who done BCom, BSc, the jobs are there for them as well. And then there is a filter for entry level technology career. This is exclusively for the BTech ones. And yes, so even if you see trust and safety analyst, so there are analyst roles present over here as well. So if you qualify the criteria, you can apply, and there are 550 results, 550 pages that are already present on their career portal. Just go and apply to one of these, whatever suits you. And yes, you have to like be very mindful of where you are applying and what kind of jobs you are applying, because if one job is applicable to me, maybe it's not applicable to you, and there is another job that is solely for you and it's not even suiting for me. So please be mindful. And if you have any domain knowledge, just go with the domain and go for the analyst roles. There are plenty of analyst role present. Just be mindful, and yeah, go through each of these pages and apply whatever was the early applicant, whatever job was posted early, apply to that, because there are chances that you will get the interview call tomorrow.